New at 5:30, that is the sweet sound of recovery. The Sanibel Historical Museum and Village got its bell back today for the first time since Hurricane Ian swept over the island.
The storm blew that whole belfry off. Wake News reporter Tiffany Rizzo shows us how the bell is more than just a symbol of the past, but an icon of the future.
That's the sound of resilience ringing through the air at the Sanibel Historical Village.
Over a year and a half, we are finally installing the bell that blew off during Hurricane Ian.
Neighbors gathered Tuesday morning to watch as crews return the bell to its rightful place.
Oh my gosh, this is just so wonderful, and we're just so happy that the island is rebounding, and it's just the best place in the world to be.
Every time we have an opportunity to celebrate our recovery, we all take advantage of that.
Hurricane Ian hit Sanibel hard, and the island is making slow but steady progress. The people here believe every step forward is a victory, and that's what this bell symbolizes.
Step in that forward progression, the rebuild of the island, and to be able to save historic buildings like this.
We are hoping that he can ring the bell today.
All the kids wanted to be the first to ring the bell, so the mayor figured the only fair way to do it was to pick a name from a basket.
Theo, it is you!
Theo was one happy 4-year-old. The schoolhouse is the oldest building at the historic village, built in 1896. These buildings help tell the story of the island's history.
Community members were able to actually sign the bell and then ring it once it was put back up. Now the schoolhouse is back open and ready to enjoy. On Sanibel, Tiffany Rizzo, Wink News.